So now we will discuss what is comment and why it is important to use in our coding language, right? So comment is nothing but those are some line of the code that are ignored by the Python interpreter during the program execution. Their primary purpose is to enhance code readability by providing explanations or some sort of notes or temporary disabling code sections. So there are mainly two type of commands in the Python. One is the single line command, another is the multi-line commands. So single line commands, so these are commands which are begins with the hash symbol. Anything following starting with the hash symbol on the same line is considered as a command and which is not executed by the Python interpreter. They are used for brief explanations such as describing a variable purpose or a single line of the code. So here you can see I have written this is a single line command, hash, then after this is a single line command, name1 is equal to Ashish, again hash in the same line, assigning a value to the variable name1, and we want to print the name1. Okay, so we will run. In order to save the time, I am just copy paste the code. I will also provide you the same file to you so that you can also do the same practice and just run the code. So as you can see, this is a single line command which is in a green color, right? This is in a green color, and then after name1 is equal to Ashish, this is the variable, and again in the same line we are adding a comment assigning a value to the name1 variable, and we want to print the variable name1, so it will be give us the answer of Ashish. We will understand what are the multi-line commands. So multi-line commands are symbols which are running in the Python which doesn't have a dedicated multi-line command syntax like some other language. Okay, so you can achieve a similar effect by placing a hash at the beginning of each line which you want to comment it out. Okay, so there are two ways of using the multi-line commands. So one way is what, using the hash symbol at each and every line starting of the line. So hash, this is the first line of multi-line command, this is the second line, this is the third line, and then after we want to print hello. Okay, so we will run this. So we want to add the code and just run code again. So as you can see, this is the first line of command, second line of command, third line of command, and we want to print the hello. Okay, now we can also provide the multi-line command using the single quotes or double quotes. So using the single quotes or double quotes or triple double quotes, we can be used to create the multi-line strings. If the strings are not assigned to a variable, they are effectively ignored by the interpreter and can serve as a multi-line commands, especially for a documentation purpose. So here as you can see, this is a single multi-line command. Using a print function we can print the message. We can also do some calculation. Okay, so here some of the calculation we will perform. So let we do the copy paste entire code in order to save our time, and let we run the code and I will explain you. So our first, this is our multi-line commands. Okay, so multi-line command we can type either single quotes or double quotes. Okay, then after print Ashish Pandit, so Ashish Pandit text will be print, and then after we will perform some of the calculation. So 90 plus 25, that is 115, 52 plus 52, that is 104, 32 minus 25, that is 7, 32 times 5, that is 160. Then after we want to perform the division operation, so 32 divided by 1.5, that one will be give you 21.33. 32 floor 1.5, so that one will be give you the integer of this 21.333, that is 21. Then 32 modulus 1.5, that one will be give you the remainder, that is the 0.5, and 2 to the power 6, that is the 64. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times, so that one will be become the 64. So this is what we have covered, what is the print function in the Python, as well as what is what are the two types of the commenting. One is the single line comment and another is the multi-line comment. And in the multi-line comment, we can give the multi-line comment by using the each and every hash symbol to the multi-line, or we can use the single quotes or double triple quotes like this. Okay, and we can run the code. One more thing I want to show you, that if we will use shift and enter, it will be run the code and it will be also adding the next line for our next code. Shift plus enter.